Iawn te?
Iawn te.
Hei, mae gennym ni westau hyfryd yn dod i mewn heddiw.
Ie.
Dwi ddim wedi gyfarfod o'r blaen, I've never met him, so fydd hwnna'n ddiddorol, fydd hwnna'n neis.
Richard Elis, mae'n actor,
Ydi.
yn dod o ble?
O Ddyffryn Aman.
Dyffryn Aman, yn byw yn Gaerdydd nawr.
Na ti, a
Fi'n
mae'n
gwybod.
byw yng Nghaerdydd, ac mae dwy o ferched bach ganddo fo. Two little girls, ac yn
neis.
babies with him.
Cute.
Alice a Mabli. Ac wrth gwrs, mae o'n actio. Rwan, oedd e'n arfer bod yn EastEnders. Ei job gyntaf fo, ar ôl gadael y coleg oedd EastEnders.
Da iawn.
Cymro yn EastEnders. Wedyn, mae wedi gwneud lot o bethau fel ar y tracks, nuts and bolts, casualty, doctors.
Gwaith cartref?
Iawn te, dyma beth ni'n mynd i ofyn i Richard. Hw!
Go.
Go. Have
Okay.
a look.
Beth ydy'r peth gorau am? What's your favourite thing about?
What's the best thing
Best
about?
thing about.
Iawn. A beth ydy'r peth gweitha am? Yeah,
So worst is gweitha?
Gore, gweitha.
Okay.
Give me a gore,
Give me a gore.
gweitha.
Gweitha.
Gore,
Gore.
gweitha.
Gweitha.
Best?
Gore.
Worst.
Gweitha. I hope you're all following us at home. Gore.
Worst.
Gweitha.
Ardderchog.
Da iawn.
So, you can ask him.
Da iawn ti. Chi.
What's the best thing about acting?
Beth ydy peth gorau am actio?
So you can ask him, what's the worst thing about being an actor?
Beth ydy peth gweitha am fod actio?
Fod yn actor.
Actor.
Iawn?
Beth ydy'r peth mwyaf anodd am?
Iawn.
Beth ydy'r peth mwyaf? What do you...
So again, it's
Would-
the same pattern.
What?
What is the...
What is
right,
the-
Beth ydi anodd? Do you know what anodd is? Oh,
I do know what anodd is, but it's not on the
my-
tip of my tongue. No?
hawdd, easy, anodd, difficult.
Difficult.
So what's the most difficult thing about? Iawn.
Beth ydy mwyaf anodd am
Beth ydi'r
actio? Beth ydy'r peth...
peth mwyaf
Mwya.
anodd am actio?
Anodd am
and you can,
actio.
And you can change anodd to any other adjective. So say, you can say, what's the most exciting thing about?
Cyffros.
Cyffros.
Cyffros. I've got it.
I
I'm
knew
getting
you
there.
knew
I'm
it.
getting
I
there.
knew you knew it.
Beth ydy'r peth mwyaf cyffros am actio?
Am
Gyda-
actio ar EastEnders, neu am actio gyda Barbara Windsor.
Gyda
neu-
Barbara Windsor.
Yeah. Felly, ar hyn o bryd, mae Richard yn gwneud pantomime, adeg y Nadolig.
Beth yw pantomime yn Gymraeg?
Pantomime.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Mae'n
That's
wych.
worked out brilliantly.
Pantomime.
Pantomime.
Felly, beth ydy'r peth mwyaf anodd neu mwyaf cyffroes am wneud pantomime?
Neud pantomime. Eh?
OK, so beth oedd y peth gorau am...
Beth oedd y peth gorau am... What was your
What
favourite
was-
thing about...
Yeah, what was the best thing
What was the
about?
best thing about...
So instead of
EastEnders?
beth ydy'r peth gorau am, what is the best thing about, beth
Was.
oedd y peth gorau am, what was the best thing about.
Beth oedd y peth gorau am EastEnders?
Exactly.
Gwaith caled.
Yeah,
Cadref.
gwaith cartref.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gwaith caled.
It is gwaith caled today. It's not easy, this dysgu Cymraeg, is it?